Welcome back to our channel. We continue our journey for question 11. On the next page, we have this description. Consider one clockwise revolution, okay? At t equals 0, okay? So remember, mark down all the things not in the diagram, okay? T equals 0. It is at A, so A is 0 time. Okay, after t second, okay, pass through and go to D, okay? Go to D is the time t, okay? These two things need to be marked down here. And then we have alpha and beta. Yeah, it's on the diagram already. This information is shown in the diagram. Yes. So everything is on the diagram, so we don't need to read this paragraph anymore. So look at the question. Yeah, the question is about first part. Write down expression for alpha in terms of t. Alpha is the angle traveled, right? How long it takes a time t, right? So remember, we worked before, remember the angular speed is a pi over 8, right? Pi over 8 radian per second. 1 second, pi over 8 radian. So now alpha is the angle, right? So how many, yeah, write down the expression for alpha. Yeah, what is the angle traveled? So angle traveled should equal the angular speed pi over 8 times time. Very simple. So it's a pi t over 8. Actually, it's here. Yeah, suggested down there. If you don't know, look down there. Maybe you got some hints. Okay. Next part is you got the angle. Okay, angle of beta is this radian. Okay, and then consider the sine rule triangle ABSD. Okay, find out the distance d formula. So you got another distance 20. So look at the diagram. We have 20 meters here and distance d. Distance d is okay, its opposite angle is alpha, right? But 20 meters, the opposite angle is here. What's this angle? Angle sum of triangle is pi, right? So this angle is pi minus alpha minus beta, right? So we should use these two angles as the reference to these two sides. So we have, okay, sine rule, I remember. D over, because it's a song question, so you need to write it clearly. D over sine alpha equals 20 over sine pi minus alpha minus beta. First step, 1 marks. And then substitute all the thing inside. Okay, so we beta record it. So D equal 20 sine alpha is pi t over 8. Okay, and then substitute all the thing down there. Okay, equals a sine pi minus alpha pi t over 8 and minus beta, copy 0.7754. What do you need to do? Just this subtraction, pi minus 0.7754, and you find out exactly is 2.37, and you got the result. Well done. But you still have a next part. This is a really long question. So see you on next part of question 11.